This series shows in detail what goes into building my custom gaming keypads. All videos are completely no commentary, just the work, the tools, and the process. Each episode took roughly 3 hours to film, and the keypad you'll see here is the fifth major version I've designed. I've been building and refining these controllers for almost 3 years now. With every new build, I try to push myself and learn something new. For this version, that meant several firsts, creating a proper electrical schematic in KiCad, designing my own PCB, and experimented with premium leather work. I did one small test run off camera, but the rest you'll see here. The controller also supports Vial for easy key map editing, and with up to 8 custom layers and 4 profiles. Across these videos, I'll walk through the entire build, preparing and refining the 3D printed parts, upholstering the palm rest in leather, soldering the electronics, assembling everything, and finishing with a quick in-game test. So please join me on this journey.